Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about some of the important projects which are run by the Government of India for the protection of various wildlife. So first project in this regard is Project Tiger. So it was started and launched by Government of India with the support of WWF, okay, Worldwide Fund in 1973. So basically this was launched for the protection of tigers, and that's why its name was given Project Tiger. So it was the first initiative for protection of the this species means tiger, and also the habitat or the place where it found. And this project was initially initiated in 9 tiger reserves of the country, which are covering the an area of 16,339 square kilometer. And in 2001, number of tiger reserves increased from 9 to 27, and ultimately which cover an area of 37,761 square kilometer. So this was one of the first key initiative for the protection of any type of biological diversity in India. Means the number of tiger was reduced at that time by continuous hunting. So by for the protection of and for the purpose of increasing the number of tigers in India, this Project Tiger was launched. So as a result of positive result of this project, the number of total count means the tiger count, it increased from 268, which was in 1972. Okay, it was increased around 1500 in 1997. Okay, so initially in the 9 tiger reserves in which it was initiated the Project Tiger, the count was only 268, and in 1997 the count was 1500 in 23 tiger reserves. Okay, and the Project Tiger, it recognized the fact that tigers cannot be protected in isolation, and that to protect the tigers its habitat need to be protected. Because in zoological park for example we cannot protect them because tiger lives in the natural environment. It lives as a means he this animal lives as a king in the jungle. Okay, so basically it needs its natural environment, its natural habitat where trees should be there, okay, where different animals are there, and where we can live as a natural free being. So basically it was recognized, the fact was recognized, and due to this these reserves, this biosphere reserve was these tiger reserves, okay, here Project Tiger was initiated, and the positive result was their number was increased. So Project Tiger, Project Elephant was launched in 1992 just to ensure the long term survival of a viable population of elephants, okay, in their natural habitat, of course, in north and northeastern India and South India. Okay, so initially it was implemented in 12 states of India, and it also gives us positive result for the conservation of different elephant species. Next one is Beach Bachao Andolan or Seed Save the Seed movement. This is a very popular andolan, we can say, the movement in Himalayan foothills. Okay, basically it is the movement in the Gadwal. Okay, means in Uttarakhand there are two region, one is Gadwal and one is Kumaon. Two mandals are there, Gadwal and Kumaon. So in Gadwal this movement was taken place. Okay, and the members of this movement, they have collected seed of diverse crop in Gadwal, and due to this they successfully conserved hundreds of local rice varieties, rajma, pulses, millets, vegetables, spices and herbs. So XC2 conservation was carried out for all those local rice varieties, pulses varieties, millets, vegetables, spices, and all other herbs. So many different varieties are being grown as an outcome of this program in local farmers' field. So basically, in situ conservation was also practiced in the farmers' field of all those different varieties of different crops. This has also been supported by local women's group who felt those varieties were better, because we all know that in hilly areas, especially in the Uttarakhand hills, there are some local varieties are they prefer to grow the local varieties, or we can say the local lines or races of all those vegetables and these millets, because they believe that the taste of all those local varieties are very much better, and it is proven scientifically that those local varieties have better nutritional content. Okay, they are nutritionally very rich they have micro content element more, means they have improve more this iron, more calcium, more fibers are there, more protein is there. So basically they are very much better, and popularly they are known as land races. Okay, these farmers varieties, these local varieties, they are known as land races. So they this movement was being supported by the women groups there. Okay, and they help in the conservation of all these seeds of the local varieties. Okay, so these are some of the uh, efforts of local communities also, as well as by the government, for the protection of these biological diversity.